Hey guys, this is day 9 of a series that I started on my channel Tuning Data. In this series, I am solving 100 business questions in Power BI. So if you have not seen previous video, you can just click on the I button. You can watch all the previous videos there. In today's question, I have increased some complexity level. So I hope you will enjoy while solving this question today. So let's open your Power BI and learn and practice together. So let's start today's question now. So guys, this is my Power BI homepage here. Let me connect the data from my PostgreSQL database. So let's click here on get data and then more. And now search here for PostgreSQL and click here and then connect. For the server name, I am giving here localhost. And for the database name, it's 100 question series. Now click on OK. So the database has been connected here. So let it load to Power BI. So the data has been loaded to Power BI, guys. Let me show you the data that we are using today for the question. So we have this sales data table here. Okay, in this table we have these columns like sales ID, product, category, quantity, unit price, cost price, and sale. Okay, so here unit price is the selling price and the cost price is the purchase price. Okay, so this is the data that we have for today's question. Now let me show you the question that we are going to solve today in this video. So let's click on the report view. Yeah, so this is day 9 of 100 business question series in Power BI. And the question for today is, in the last 3 months, which are the top 2 profit making products per category and what is their share of category profit? So this is the question that we are going to solve today in this video. So let's start solving this question now. So guys, as the question says that we have to calculate the profit for each product. For that reason, I'm going to create a custom column here in this table, which will store total profits. Okay, so let's click on new column and then profit. Okay, and for that I'm going to use here unit price minus cost price multiply by quantity. Okay, so let's run this. So we got this column which stores the total profits for each product. Okay, so now let's calculate the profit only for last 3 months. Okay, so let's create a measure here and now profit in last 3 months. Okay, for that purpose I'm going to use here calculate and sum of profit, not product, profit. Okay, and for the filter purpose I'm going to use here dates in period, and for the date it's a sale date, and for the start date it's maximum of the start date, maximum oh, maximum of sale date. Okay, and the number of intervals is -3 because you want the last 3 months and it's a month. Then close this, and then run this query. So this is the total profit in last 3 months. Now we are going to calculate the profit as per the category. Okay, so let's write here category profit. Let's use our calculate and then profit in last 3 months and then user all except sale data and then category. Okay, so let's run this query. So guys, we have calculated these two measures here. One is the profit in last 3 months and the second one is category profits. Now we are going to calculate the share of profit for each category. Okay, so let's start creating new measure here and now give it a name like profit share. Okay, and for that purpose I'm going to use here divide. For the numerator it's profit in 3 months. Okay, For the denominator, it's category profit, and then multiplied by 100. So it's total profit share. So guys, we created all the necessary measures here. Now let me create a chart here that will show you all the category products and their profits. So let's take this table here. Okay, and let's drag category to it, then product and profit in last 3 months. Okay, now profit share. Okay, and let's take one thing more, category profit here. Okay, now we want to show top 2 products for each category. Okay, so for that purpose I'm going to create another measure which will give rank to each product on the basis of their profits. Okay, so let's give it a name like rank products and use rank Excel. For the table, it's all selected product. Okay, and for the expression it will be profit in last 3 months, and let's do it in descending order. Okay, so let's run this query, and now I'm going to use this rank in filter. And then use here less than equal to 2 and apply this filter here. So guys, this is the output for today's question. Let me zoom it out and let me explain you this output here. Okay, so let's increase the size. And this is the output. We created this chart which is showing the category and top 2 products in each category according to their profits. Okay, so as you can see in electronics category, there is smartphone and tablets are 2 high profit generated products. Okay, and in furniture it's bookshelf, office chair and sofa are the highest profit generated products. In stationery it's notebook and pen. So guys, this is all about the today's question. I hope you enjoy while solving this question today. So if you want to get all this data, you can click on the link given in the description of this video. You will get all this data on my GitHub profile, so don't worry about that. And let's wrap up this video now. So guys, this is all about today's video. So I hope this video will really help you in your data analysis journey. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your friend and save for the future reference. I will meet you in the next video with the next question. Till then, goodbye.